Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So today we are making shito, which is black sauce, and I've got my dry ingredients are going to be aniseeds, rosemary, fennel seeds, and um, Maggi cube and clove. So that will be my dry ingredients for my shito, my chili flakes and hot chili powder, tin tomatoes. So that is herrings, and that is my prawns powder or crayfish. And we've got onions, we've got two chilies, and I've got two red onions and garlic, green pepper, and I'm going to use some coconut oil, rosemary. So these are going to be the stuffs that I'm going to use. I'll blend my rosemary with it. And guys, I'll use oil to blend it. You don't need water in your shito, so try and cut the water short. To cut all our stuffs, shito needs a lot of cutting and a lot of blending. So I have to cut all my ginger and blend it. So I'll blend all of them together. I'm going to blend it all. So I'm going to use about two of these of the rosemary. If you don't have the fresh one, guys, don't worry, you can still use the dry ones. So I blend that, I take it off and blend it with my ginger and onions. And so I'll be back. Let's finish cutting. So guys, I finished cutting all of it. So let's start. Put all of them in the oil. I'm using all of the oil that I showed you. But at some point, if it's not enough, you're always welcome to add a bit more oil to it because oil preserves shito. So now I'm going to blend the green pepper, then I'll add it to it. So guys, now I'm going to blend all my dry ingredients together so that I'll put it in when it's ready to go. So yeah, I will list everything down below, all the stuff that I use. I'll link it down below, so you just look at the description box and see the oil looks green. Don't worry about it. It's shito. As soon as you finish cooking it, it will come to the color you want. So I've added my tomato paste. If you don't want a lot of tomatoes in it, you can use half tomatoes, and okay guys, so now our shito is done. I'm going to add in the coconut oil. So I'm going to put 3 teaspoons of coconut oil into it. Guys, try this. It tastes amazing with the coconut oil. So I'm using 3 spoons. This is the organic coconut oil. I pick it up from Asda. You can get it anywhere in the grocery shop. So I hope you did enjoy this video. It took me all together an hour and a half to finish cooking this shito. So try it and let me know how you go ahead with it. God bless you all. Be safe and stay safe. Bye. Stay blessed.